Remember Nero burning ROMs, the iconic CD burning software everyone used in the late 90s and early 2000s? That same company is still here, and now they're using AI to bring your photos to life like never before. This is Nero AI Image Upscaler, available on web, Mac, Windows, PC, and mobile. It enlarges images up to 4K or even 8K, removes noise and artifacts, and works with multiple formats like JPG, PNG, BMP, and WebP. You can choose between online mode or local mode, and upscale by 2x, 3x, or 4x with just a click. With AI processing, it eliminates camera noise and JPEG compression artifacts, making your images cleaner and sharper. You can even restore old photos, bringing them back to life with vivid clarity. There are 6 AI models to choose from: standard for landscapes and cityscapes, anim for illustrations and artwork, photo for improving small, low-quality images, fast for quick processing, iris for fine details like eyes and fur, and face enhancement for low-res or blurry faces. Switch between online and local mode for the best experience in any situation. Save time with batch processing. Upscale more than 20 images at once, without sacrificing quality. The latest update adds smarter controls, new formats, and a smoother workflow, easier 4K hit 8K wallpaper output, streamlined AI model selection, face recovery and skin retouch options, a model strength slider, real-time output size preview, new TIFF support, and faster previews. Now, here's my own test with 4 very different images: a portrait, a landscape, an anime-style artwork, and an old low-quality shot. For each one, I picked the most suitable AI model, and the difference before and after is striking. It's quick, easy, and the results speak for themselves. Whether you're a photographer, designer, or just restoring family memories, Nero AI Image Upscaler makes your images shine. Download it today and try it for yourself.